to share what we did last week during our class activity. Last week, we learned how to create a formal application letter using a word processor, specifically Microsoft Word. Our teacher guided us step by step throughout the activity to help us understand the proper format and structure of an application letter. First, we were instructed to open Microsoft Word and start encoding our final application letter. Our teacher explained the importance of using the correct format, such as proper spacing, alignment, and font style, to make the letter look formal and professional. He also reminded us to carefully check our grammar and spelling while typing. Next, we followed the formal part of an application letter. We started with the sender's name and address, followed by the date and then the recipient's name and position. In our letter, we addressed the Mr. Principal, his name, of Bayugan Puno National High School. We made sure that every detail was correctly placed.
In the body of the letter, we stated the position we were applying for mention our educational background. We also expressed our skill, dedication, or willingness to contribute to the school. Our teachers emphasized that the content should be clear, respectful, and straight to the point. After finishing the body, we added the closing part of the letter, including a polite ending and our full name. We review our work carefully to ensure that it followed the formal format.
Through this activity, we learn how to important word processors are in creating professional documents. We also learn how to write proper application letter that we can use in future. Overall, this activity helped us improve our typing skills, writing skills, and confidence in using Microsoft Word. With the guidance of teachers, we successfully complete our final application letter.